Okay. That line moving kind of quick.
Finish line is right at that checkered flag.
Man. Look out, man. Where you from?
Missouri.
Missouri.
Crawler Innovations and Plan B.
I heard from Missouri, y'all.
Trash cans.
Missouri in the building.
We are blocking
Where you from, mister?
our track sponsors.
Kansas.
If we can pull those trash cans back, anyone, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Got Kansas. Got Team
We'll work
Oklahoma
together here
in
to
the
get this
building.
beautiful day that God
out.
blessed us with drivers.
Let's see.
Watch them.
All right, here we go, y'all. Oh, shit. This gonna be some wrecks. Everybody ain't. Somebody need a front end alignment.
Joey Polk,
where you
jump
from,
here
man?
real quick.
Fort Worth.
This is for your daughter,
Fort Worth
sir.
one time. Where y'all
Florida.
from? Fort Worth too? Okay. One more shout out for the
Florida,
Funky Town. Funky
Yep.
Town.
What's going on, man?
Where you from, man?
There you go, sir.
Dallas? Okay. Out of D-Town, Oak Cliff. We got Oak Cliff in
Nice
the building, y'all. Oak Cliff, yeah. 405 Oklahoma.
That's
Man,
the
here he come down
like
here with all
they
this
cooked it
Murder
way
Nova stuff. Let me see what you got, man.
But that's well past the finish
yeah.
line. Hey, well, hold on.
What class you in?
Street eliminated.
Street eliminated?
Outlaw or whatever.
Outlaw, he trying
Call
to.
it down here.
Okay. Let me see if I can keep up.
Thank you very much.
Hey, mister, you familiar with the rules of this? They going by track rules or grudge rules?
Track rules.
Track rules.
All right, drivers, here we go. Watch the lights.
Oh, damn. No full pass. Man, these little things can fuck some shit up at Yello Belly. Yeah, man, it's going down. Where you from, mister?
Spring Hill, Florida.
Spring Hill, Florida. Okay, we got Florida back in the building, y'all.
Florida with us.
Okay.
Disney.
I'm gonna
All
remember
right, you see
them.
the flashy light? You're just a little too deep. There we go.
Hey.
All right, watch them.
Ooh. Man, I need a good, I'm gonna give me a good angle, y'all. Some of them running.
We do have the time slips up here, guys.
Some people, man, they got
Split
the
'em up
time
amongst
slip
yourselves.
too. Hey, y'all. Won't you take me to Funky Town? Won't you take me to Funky Town?
That's
Time I got done with everything, because I bought each.
Morasco, he's gonna run a single real quick.
Ooh wee. Man, I been getting the hiccups, y'all. What the hell that mean? Got Summit. All the baddest parts in there.
Okay, Ding, you're gonna run a single. Or anybody.
I think it's better.
So we just don't want y'all to run together. So you can run a single, or all right.
Dang,
Let's
man,
run
I'm
this
tired of these hiccups,
full
man.
tree.
Yeah, this ain't some of them. All the
Part of our Young Gunners bracket out of Florida. Michaela Morasco.
Let's see it.
Currently running the championship point season there. Driver, watch the lights. Full tree.
She made a full pass.
How level the track is
She
with
got a
that pull. Nice pull, Morasco. We do not call out times during test and tune. However, we will be calling out times throughout elimination.
Doing a
Chip
little
draw
burnout.
For all positioning, drag track will assign a lane based on your chip draw pull.
Oh, snap. Appreciate the follow on the new people that came
Sorry about
in.
that. Instant green, drivers. Watch the lights.
Okay. Ooh, left lane
Nice,
running.
solid pull.
Oh, yeah, I like
Safely stop. A little style points
Left
on the
lane
big
got some. Good job, left lane. I see. Team Oklahoma making full passes, y'all. Y'all keep that in mind. I'll probably start betting in a minute.
What's that?
This side.
See, y'all can drive those cars out, he said. There's an opening up there. You guys can drive the cars off the track. I believe that's what he said. There you go. Check it out. Safety Safari up there. They're saying owner of the, there you go. There we go. All right, we're just trying to make it more efficient.
What side y'all got, man?
Drivers.
Twitch so you got the predictions on? Ah. You hit the wall, you lose.
Right lane goes A to B. Nice pull. Remember, folks, no burning out in front of that mat. Do not want to get DQ'd. We have some rubber mats out here for you, plenty of concrete.
Alrighty, guys, coming up next, we have the Corvette in the left lane.
All right, white Corvette owner, just make yourself known. He's holding it on the big end of the track.
His wheels are already crooked.
Just hold up, guys.
Hey, yeah, straighten them up. There you go. It still look like he gonna pull to the left a little bit. Man, your wheels turning left a little bit. Yep. All right. Yeah, that's it right there. Hey, them wheels turning again. Yeah, keep
drivers. Watch the lights.
I bet he finna pull to the left. Oh, he all in the lane. Man, why these hiccups here, man? Both electric. Nah, I think it's only electric, man. I don't think them gas cars can mess with this electric. Dang, man. Yeah. Yesterday, I was hicking up so much. And my jaw started hurting. God
There
dang.
you go, guys. Remember, it's still instant green unless you ask otherwise. Drivers, watch the lane. Whoop, you're too deep. Back that car up a little bit.
You deep staging.
All right. Drivers, watch the lights.
Damn!
Just chase me now. Folks, don't forget, visit Summit Racing Equipment while you're here this weekend. Also, there are plenty of the Summit
Thunderstick.
RC cars available inside for purchase.
I see at Yello Belly.
They'll be open till 8 o'clock tonight.